Hello, welcome to Hard Rock Nation, and today I'm going to be showing you some sounds from the Marshall MG100H Pex. This right here is factory presets. It's got 4 of them, and you wouldn't expect much from just the amp itself because you know it's a Marshall amp. It's not supposed to really have any effects on, but this one does, so it's kind of cool. Which unfortunately, it having effects period kind of takes away from the actual tone of the amp, which is kind of sad if you think about it. But I'm going to show you what I'm using. So that's my deal. And I got the dampening off. I did some research on the phone to ask, why is it so bassy? I mean, it's so bassy you can't even understand it. But anyway, it's bassy because the dampening control gives it more bass and treble and scoops the mids, and the more mids you have, the higher pitched it becomes. So, and I was using a guitar that was in D standard, which is a full step down from standard tuning, so it kind of sounded bassy anyway. So, and I was using a thicker gauge strings than like 9s or hybrid slinkies in E flat, which is not too low of a tuning, but it does produce more bass, which I like, but I don't like so much bass to where it's like, when it's loud, it's like, really? Turn the bass down. And I had the bass all the way up. All the way down. So, this is what it sounds like. Factory preset, clean channel. Yeah, that was some fooling. So it sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good with no dampening. Now the dampening control. We're going to turn that on and see what it gets you. The clean channel green light on that side will start blinking when you start making edits to the preset. Now we're going to turn the dampening off, and you're going to hear what it sounds like. It's very hard to notice, but if you listen carefully, you get more bass, and you get less bass and more treble. Now, when you have the dampening mode on, it sounds great through effects. But if you have the dampening mode off, you want to keep it off when you're just using this amp if you want a true Marshall sound, because the dampening on makes it sound more like a rectifier. Not a huge fan. You want the tone of a Marshall? You set it like a Marshall. On, off, on. So you get more bass. I'm going to do the same mode. See, it's less. So you get more, you get less. Hear that? You might not be able to pick it up through the phone speaker or through Bluetooth like I usually use. So bear with me, it does sound different. Alright, so now we're going to go with the crunch channel. This is what factory preset is for crunch channel. There is no dampening. Raw Marshall. Perfect for Angus Young and Malcolm Young. And then when you want to get it to be more kind of chorusy, bit of chorus on. That way it gives it that effect like there's two guitars in the background. So I'm going to play it kind of like the song goes. It's kind of clean. Now here goes the chorus. Now we're going to turn the dampening on and play the same thing. You're going to see it's going to be a lot more bassy. Yeah, Led Zeppelin, Jimmy Page used Marshall amps. What's another person who used Marshall amps? Angus Young. Oh, wait, we already did that one. How about Ace Frehley? Yeah, he has a little bit more gain. I'm gonna do some shout it out loud. That was my mom. Sounds pretty good for Ace Frehley and Crunch channel. You get just a wee bit more gain on the overdrive channel. This is with no dampening on. So, here we go. Now, it's not set to have more overdrive factory preset, but no, this is the clean channel, sorry about that. This is the overdrive channel. It's It's a straight overdrive channel, no reverb or nothing. Plenty of treble, plenty of treble. Let's turn the treble all the way up, see what we get. Let's turn the bass all the way down, and the mid all the way up, and the gain around 7, and the volume at like halfway. Master is like that. Not quite Randy Rhoads, but close. Now let's add reverb. It's very punchy amp, very punchy. So when you like strike the strings, it's at you. Some blues for you. Not bad. Pretty fun amp to jam along to. Then you got the last preset. This is a soloing lead tone. It's got dampening on factory preset, so it'll be a little bit more bassy. It's a lot meaner sounding, but when you want to get rid of bass, dampening off. It doesn't make it less punchy. Because when you got the bass knob all the way down, you lose the oomph the amp has. This amp has a lot of oomph. I guess it does because it just is like a. You can't help but love the tone, man. It's Marshall. You're gonna get some bass. Some chorus. It's going to be a little bit more bassy because of that. And quite a bit louder. It's like awesome bass feeling. They sound so good live. Kind of close to the live sound. shout it out loud. That's Ace Frehley. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Marshall Amp Sound.